Imagine publishing an entire book from idea to upload, from start to finish in just one day. Sounds impossible, right? But with AI and a few free tools, you can go from blank page to live on Amazon KDP faster than ever before. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the fastest way to publish a full book with AI. We'll cover everything: generating your idea, building your outline, drafting one section at a time, polishing your writing, formatting, and finally uploading your book to Amazon. Stick around until the end because I'll share some insider tips that will save you hours of frustration. Step 1. Finding the idea with ChatGPT. The very first step is finding a winning idea. Open ChatGPT and type something like, "Give me 10 trending nonfiction book ideas that would appeal to beginners in personal finance, health, and productivity." ChatGPT instantly generates a list of ideas. Let's say it suggests the 30-day productivity reset. That's a strong hook with a clear promise. The key here is to make sure your idea is practical, searchable, and niche specific. Don't just write a random book. Write one that solves a problem and has a clear audience. Now, step 2, building the outline. Once you've locked in your idea, it's time to build your outline. In ChatGPT, type a prompt like, "Create a detailed 10-chapter outline for a nonfiction book titled The 30-Day Productivity Reset." Each chapter should include 3 to 4 subsections with practical tips and examples for beginners. Here's what you get: a professional structure with chapter titles and subtopics. This becomes your roadmap. Now, a pro tip: if you don't like one of the chapters, refine it. For example, make chapter 3 focus more on time management tools. AI will instantly adjust. Now, step 3, writing chapters section by section. This is where most people go wrong. They tell AI to write the whole chapter. That's a recipe for generic, sloppy content. Instead, break your outline into sections and prompt ChatGPT one piece at a time. For example, write 600 words for the section in chapter 2 about eliminating distractions, including at least one specific study and a practical daily routine example. By working section by section, you stay in control and your book ends up tighter, smarter, and more detailed. Keep building section by section until you have your full draft. Think of AI as your co-writer. You direct it, you refine it, and you make sure the book actually delivers value. Now, step 4, polishing with Grammarly. Now you've got your draft, but it's raw. This is where Grammarly comes in. Copy each section into Grammarly and let it clean up grammar, sentence flow, and readability. Grammar's free version already does a great job, but the paid version goes even deeper with tone and clarity. This step makes sure your AI-generated draft sounds polished, professional, and ready for readers. Now, step 5, formatting in Word. Next, open Microsoft Word or Google Docs if you prefer, and paste in your polished text. Here, you'll format the title page, the table of contents, the chapter headings, and page breaks. Amazon KDP accepts Word documents directly, so once everything looks clean and professional, you're almost ready to publish. And finally, step 6, uploading to Amazon KDP. Finally, head to kdp.amazon.com and log in. Click Create and select Kindle ebook or paperback. Then enter your book title, subtitle, and author name. Paste your manuscript file and upload your book cover. If you don't have a book cover, you can create one for free in Canva or use Amazon's Cover Creator tool. Then set your pricing and royalties. After that, all that's left to do is click Publish. And within 72 hours, your book is live worldwide on Amazon. So there you have it. The fastest way to publish a full book with AI, step by step. We started with generating an idea with ChatGPT, built an outline, drafted it section by section, polished it in Grammarly, formatted it in Word, and finally uploaded it to Amazon KDP. This whole process can be done in under a day if you follow the steps correctly. But here's the thing. This is just the surface. In my full course, I walk you through every detail of this system, from idea validation to creating cinematic covers to scaling your books into multiple income streams. If you're serious about building a self-publishing business, then the link is in the description below. Don't waste months writing the hard way. Use AI smartly and follow these steps, and you can publish your first book faster than you ever thought possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.